Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pages on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, choose Account Type and Tools, and then switch to Professional Account. Follow the prompts to select your business category and add contact details. This sets the foundation for your new page. Once your professional account is set up, it's time to optimize your profile. Your bio is crucial. Keep it short, engaging, and include keywords related to your niche. Add a clear call to action, like shop now or learn more, and ensure your profile picture is a high-resolution image or your brand's logo. Don't forget to add a clickable link in your bio to direct traffic to your website or other important destinations. A strong content strategy is key to growing your Instagram page. Aim for consistent posting of high-quality photos and videos that resonate with your target audience. Research and use relevant hashtags to expand your reach and help new people discover your content. Actively engage with your followers by responding to their comments and direct messages. Also, leverage features like Instagram Stories and Reels to share more dynamic and interactive content. To grow your Instagram page, promote it on your other social media channels, and consider collaborating with complementary accounts for cross-promotion. Regularly check your Instagram Insights, which provide valuable data on your audience demographics, content performance, and reach. This information is vital for refining your strategy. Experiment with various content formats, like carousels or short videos, to discover what truly engages your followers and drives growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.